Ever stared at a TradingView chart, a tapestry of lines and indicators, and wondered, is this data real? Can I actually trust what I'm seeing here to make potentially life-altering financial decisions? That nagging question, the one that whispers doubts in the back of your mind as you plot your next trade, is a valid one. In the fast-paced, often opaque world of financial markets, trust is paramount. So, let's dive deep into the heart of TradingView and see if it earns our confidence. TradingView has become a behemoth in the trading and investing community. Millions of users flock to its platform daily, drawn by its sleek interface, powerful charting tools, and vibrant social features. You can analyze price action across a vast array of assets, from stocks and forex to cryptocurrencies and commodities. The platform boasts real-time data feeds, a plethora of technical indicators, and the ability to backtest strategies. On the surface, it seems like the ultimate trader's toolkit. But beneath the polished veneer, how does TradingView source its data? This is a crucial point. TradingView itself isn't an exchange or a brokerage. It acts as an aggregator, pulling data from various reputable sources. These sources typically include established exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, NASDAQ, Binance, and many others. This aggregation model allows users to access a wide range of market information in one centralized platform. However, it's essential to understand that the accuracy of the data displayed on TradingView ultimately hinges on the reliability of these underlying data providers. While TradingView partners with well-known and established entities, occasional discrepancies or delays can occur due to technical glitches on the exchange side or network issues. These instances are generally rare and often short-lived, but they highlight the importance of cross-referencing critical information, especially during high-volatility periods. Another aspect to consider is the platform's social features. The ability to share charts, ideas, and engage with other traders is a significant draw for many users. However, like any social media platform, it's crucial to exercise caution and critical thinking when consuming information shared by other individuals. Not all analysis is created equal, and biases or even malicious intent can sometimes be present. Always conduct your own thorough research and due diligence before acting on any trading ideas shared within the community. TradingView also offers a scripting language called PineScript, which allows users to create custom indicators and trading strategies. While this is a powerful tool, the accuracy and reliability of these custom scripts depend entirely on the skill and integrity of the creator. It's wise to thoroughly understand the logic behind any custom indicator or strategy before relying on it for trading decisions. The open-source nature of many PineScript creations allows for community scrutiny, which can help identify potential flaws, but it's not a foolproof system. Furthermore, TradingView offers various subscription tiers, some of which provide access to premium data feeds and features. These premium data sources often come directly from exchanges and may offer lower latency or more granular data compared to the free or basic feeds. If precise, real-time data is paramount for your trading style, exploring these premium options might be worthwhile. Can TradingView be trusted? The answer is nuanced. As a data aggregator relying on reputable sources, TradingView generally provides accurate and reliable market information. However, users must remain aware of the inherent limitations of any third-party platform, including potential data discrepancies and the need for critical evaluation of user-generated content and custom scripts. Employing common sense, cross-referencing information when necessary, and understanding the source of the data are crucial steps in ensuring you're making informed trading decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.